Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy crypto using the Kraken app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Kraken app and then you have to tap on this icon in the middle, this statistics icon. And here you can see the top gaining cryptos on the bottom in the last 24 hours. Courtesy is on the top, Band Protocol, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Monero. And to buy any cryptocurrencies, on the top of the screen you see this beautiful design and it says jump in. Make your first purchase and jump into the world of crypto. Now if you tap on buy crypto, it is going to require for your identification. You have to comply with local regulations. Make sure to have at hand an ID document, a proof of residence document, which you are going to need if you want to verify your identity. When you add all these details and you verify your identity, you can start investing in crypto and you can buy crypto on the Kraken app. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.